Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing the 100% CPU uses or over 90%, so this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to troubleshoot this issue and how to fix this issue. First of all, click on the CPU icon and check which application is taking more CPU uses on your Windows, and you need to end that task. Just you need to right click on it and simply end the task. If you know the task and you want to play that task or any game and you don't want to end the task here, so we can do some settings here. So setting number one is we need to disable the startup application. So whenever we launch our Windows, so click on here startup apps. So whenever we launch, I mean the restart our Windows, these application always run whenever you turn on your system and restart your system. So you need to right click on them and simply disable them like so, and make sure you disable all the application. This will only disable the application while launching the Windows and restarting the Windows. Other things will run normal, so you can disable them without any hesitation. Now come over to services. Once you click on that, we need to go to the sysmain service here. Press S on our keyboard. And if you are not able to see, open the services and this will open the main services here. You just need to come over to sysmain, right click on it, go to its properties, and simply you need to disable it. Stop it, then you need to disable it. This is very important service and you need to disable it. It takes more CPU and RAM uses. So once you have done this setting, let's come over to some more settings here. Click on this. Now the third number setting, guys, you need to make sure that you have the proper ventilation on your laptop, and make sure you are using the laptop or system in the table so that it has the proper ventilation. On the hardware level, you can also clean the dust and fan. So this is the hardware part. We are going to cover up the software part now. Now step number 3, we need to adjust our system for the best performance. Type here sysdm.cpl. Press the OK key. From here we need to go to advanced. Now come over to this setting, and from here we need to click on this option, adjust, this one, custom, and from the custom, first let it adjust for best performance. Now click on custom. Now we need to only choose two options here, smooth edge and screen fonts and show thumbnail instead of icon. Only select two here, click on apply and click on OK. This will disable the animation from your Windows and will boost the CPU performance. Also guys, come over to this page again and go to advanced. From the advanced, we need to click on change and untick this option and increase your RAM. Just type the system information and check for the RAM. In my case, I have 4 GB of RAM. So let me show you how you can calculate it. Just open it. This will boost the RAM and system performance. 1024 into 4. Okay, this is the MB, 4096 MB. So you need to multiply it by double. So this is the result. You just need to copy here and click on custom, paste it, 81 92, also 8192. Similarly, if you have the 8 GB of memory, 8 into 1024 and just into 2. So this will be your result here. Accordingly, if you have 16 GB or whatever memory you have, you just need to calculate it. Select your C drive, select set, click on OK. And once you click on OK, you need to click on OK again and click on OK. Again, you need to open the run. And this time we need to type here ms config, press the OK key. From here we need to go to boot, then go to advanced, and from here select the number of processor, select the maximum, then click on OK, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now once you have done these settings, you just need to restart your system and you will see guys way better performance and your CPU uses will be reduced. Also make sure you restart your Windows while updating the Windows. So these are the fix to fix the issue guys, 100% CPU uses on Windows 11. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. You can also join the membership in order to get the exclusive video.